Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make taco shells soft. Hard taco shells are great for a crunchy bite, but sometimes you crave that warm, pliable texture. Softening them is surprisingly easy and makes a huge difference in your taco experience. We'll cover a few straightforward techniques that will have your shells ready for delicious fillings in no time. Get ready to elevate your taco night with these simple tips. The oven is a fantastic way to soften multiple shells at once. Just wrap a stack of them tightly in aluminum foil and bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. For a quicker option, the microwave works wonders for 1 or 2 shells. Wrap each in a slightly damp paper towel and heat for 15 to 30 seconds. Both methods ensure your shells are warm and flexible, not brittle. Steaming is another excellent way to achieve soft taco shells. Simply place them in a steamer basket over boiling water for 30 seconds to 1 minute. The moisture makes them wonderfully pliable. If you prefer a little more flavor and a slightly different texture, try a quick fry. Heat a small amount of oil in a skillet and cook each shell for 10 to 15 seconds per side. This gives them a warm, soft center with a hint of crispness. For the best taco experience, always serve your softened shells immediately. They tend to stiffen as they cool, so keeping them warm in a tortilla warmer or a covered dish is a great idea until you're ready to fill them. This ensures every bite is as delicious as possible. And hey, while you're making your tacos amazing, why not make your car smell great too? Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.